Hello, I am Kawamura Yasuhisa, Ambassador of Japan to Canada. Japan and Canada have been making strong efforts to contain COVID-19 and are now on a path that will gradually lead to the resumption of social and economic activities. On May the 14th, the government of Japan lifted nationwide state of emergency declared last month in 39 of the country's 47 prefectures. The decision was made based on the government advisory panel's view on the fact that the infection rate has dropped below 0.5 new cases per 100,000 people in the past week, and a drop in the number of cases in which transmission routes cannot be traced. Currently, the number of intensive care patients in Japan has decreased as well, and the improvements can be seen in healthcare systems. We are also seeing a large drop in the positive test results in the past month, from 700 people per day to less than 100 per day. On May the 13th, Japan approved its COVID-19 antigen testing kits, which allow for quick testing and increased testing capacity, therefore strengthening the testing system. As Prime Minister Abe mentioned, today is a new beginning towards resuming our daily lives, a new normal. Japan is moving forward towards recovery. Japan and Canada have been working closely together as members of the G7 and G20. Both countries have shared each other's experience in coping with the pandemic. It includes Japan's Self-Defense Forces operations to help with the stricken Diamond Princess cruise ship and implement quarantine measures in which no cases were detected among their personnel at this point. In the international arena, we have been cooperating to maintain supply chains of essential goods such as medical supplies and personal protective equipments. Japan and Canada are collaborating in a global effort for international assistance by providing support to developing countries where the number of cases of COVID-19 is increasing rapidly. By promoting a comprehensive human security approach, Japan has been delivering universal health coverage, which embodies the notion of no one left behind. Japan and Canada share this principle and have placed emphasis on preparation for coping with public health crises, including infectious diseases. We have also advocating the importance of strengthening health systems by collaborating in G7 and G20 summit meetings. Along with more than other 30 countries, Japan and Canada announced on May the 4th that they will provide international support towards the development of vaccines and therapeutic medicine for COVID-19. As for the private sector in Canada, there's a Japanese pharmaceutical company that has started developing vaccine for COVID-19. Other Japanese industries, such as automobile, aviation, and AI-related companies, are also helping frontline healthcare workers by supplying and manufacturing PPEs. On a personal note, I sent my message of support to show my appreciation for the healthcare professionals and essential workers in Ottawa on Doctors' Day on May 1st. There's the proverb, which I like. If we choose to go alone, we might go fast. But if we go together, we go farther. It is my belief that we will be able to combat the current unprecedented crisis by continuing to persevere in our efforts and enjoy Canada's spring with the blossoming cherry trees next year. Thank you.